In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pod phone cases that sell using Canva original designs. Start by opening Canva. From the dashboard, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type phone case to pull up ready-made templates that already match standard phone case dimensions. Choose a template size that aligns with the cases offered by your print-on-demand provider so your artwork fits perfectly once printed. Now, take a moment to browse. You'll see minimalistic, bold, trendy, and artistic options. Pick a template that matches your brand or the vibe you want to communicate, but treat it as a starting point, not the final product. The goal is to build an original look that stands out in a crowded marketplace. To see how your art might sit on a case, open the Elements tab, search for Phone Back Case under Mockups, and select one. This helps you visualize placement and spacing, and it's especially useful for checking around camera cutouts and edges. Begin editing your design by replacing or modifying any template elements. Swap in your own backgrounds, add graphics or illustrations, and adjust text and typography to create a cohesive message. Upload your artwork or photos if you have them, and test a few layout variations. Keep important details away from the margins and camera area, and aim for a clean, balanced composition that reads well at a glance. Apply color thoughtfully using Canva's color tools. Consider color psychology: calming tones for a soothing feel, energetic hues for a bold statement, or neutral palettes for a classy, timeless look. Experiment with different combinations, use contrast to keep text legible, and don't worry about testing lots of variations. Undo is your friend. Once your design feels polished, click Share, then download. Choose PDF print for the best print quality, ensuring sharp lines and crisp graphics when transferred to a physical case. Wait for the file to process and save it to your device. This high-resolution format helps your design look professional on demand. With your file ready, upload it to your preferred print-on-demand platform, such as Shopify, Etsy, or Redbubble. Add clear product details, set a price that reflects your effort and market position, and publish your listings. Use the mockup you previewed to showcase how the design sits on a phone, and write descriptions that highlight the style and audience your design serves. That's it. Thanks for watching.